Hi friends, we visited different Costco locations looking for the best clearance finds for June and July, and I'm so excited to show you what we found. We spotted amazing markdowns on products like the Melanie Lazy Susan, a kid's outdoor playhouse, clearance prices on popsicles, and so many great deals happening right now. If you love Costco finds and deals, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and well, let's get right to it. Alright guys, so let's start off today's video here in the kitchenware section. Look what I found. It's the Melamine Lazy Susan that comes with a cover, a total of 7 pieces. I found it going for $19.97, but I will let you know several Costco's have it at this price, at least from what I've seen in this area. At one point it was going for $23.99. You can see it comes with a rotating base. It's also dishwasher safe, so very easy to clean. It comes with 1 serving bowl with a cover. You get 1 small bowl and then 5 additional small bowls. Again, this is perfect for poolside snacks, backyard gatherings, or game day spreads. It's 100% heavyweight melamine, and also it's available in 2 colors. I found it in gray and blue. Here is another clearance find. This is Corksicle, and a lot of Costco members really seem to like it. This is a 2-pack, by the way, and you get 1 of the 22-ounce cruiser, and you also get 1 of the 30-ounce Go Cup Extra Large. So both tumblers are with different size, which is nice. These at one point were going for $36.99. Again, I spotted this one in Costco Tustin, by the way. And these tumblers seem to keep your beverages cold at least 12 hours. And they do have a non-slip silicone bottom. At this location, I did spot both color options. This is a nice set to pick up right before 4th of July weekend. It's by Henckels, and it is on sale right now, guys. It's the Henckels 8-piece barbecue trays and skewer set. I found it with $9 off through July 6th, so it went from $28.99 down to $19.99. Let me show you guys everything that is included. So here you have one of the items. You have a basket, and then you have a barbecue grill topper as well, 6 sliding skewers. It's a durable stainless steel construction, and these parts are also dishwasher safe. Now at Costco Tustin, I came across this 11 by 14 inch gallery frame set with multi-size photo options. You can do single or double matte photo frames. I found at Costco Tustin going for $16.97. At one point, these are going for $22.99. They even have it on display here. Look at how pretty these look. I really like the look of these. So they have it in black and gold. Again, you can display these vertically or horizontally too. This right here is such a great find. If you haven't seen how beautiful these cards are, guys, you're missing out. They're so nice. You get 40 of them per box, and they're perfect for all occasions. I found them going for $9. Costco Tustin. First time seeing these marked down, and this is such a great purchase. I definitely feel these are going to sell super fast. At one point, they were going for $17.99, and look, they have for every single special moment in our lives, whether it's Father's Day, Mother's Day. They also have, if you're welcoming like a baby to your family, a thank you card. They, of course, have happy birthday as well. So many different options here. If you're in the market for a new coffee maker, check out this one. That's 14 cup programmable coffee maker by Cuisinart. Found it at Costco with $12 off through July 5th. It went from $60 down to $47.99. And it's got a couple of different features. So you can do hot or iced coffee. So you can also customize it. It's got a large capacity. You can do up to 14 cups of coffee. It's fully programmable. You can select a 24-hour brew start. It has auto off time. You can also do the keep warm function. You can do anywhere between 1 to 4 cup since it does have those settings. And you can choose the brew strength too. So you can do regular or bold flavor. Check out these adorable bowls. They're Stoneware, a total of 6 pieces. I found these on sale until June 28th. They're 6-inch, by the way. They have $2 off, so they went from $10 down to $8. If you've been eyeing them, it's definitely a good time to grab these as well. Look at how pretty these look. You can put fruits on them, appetizers. In our case, we're using these smaller bowls for like even the baby food. These really come in handy. Now at Costco Irvine, for the first time ever, I came across these Duracell hybrid LED flashlights of 1,500 lumens. And guys, this is the price right here for a 4-pack. $26.97. At one point, these were going for $36.99. So I think this is a really good price. Again, you can do the rechargeable battery, or you can use them with regular batteries. It requires 12 AAA batteries. And they also have 3 different light modes. Now at Costco Irvine, I also came across these velvety soft 7/8 leggings by Felina. The last time I was at Costco, you guys saw that Costco brought out the full-length version of the leggings, so that's probably why these went down to clearance. $12.97 was in Costco Irvine. At one point, these were going for $16.99. I absolutely love these leggings. They're super stretchy. They're very soft, very comfortable, and I love the thick waistband too. Here's the sizing recommendations. Now, usually when it comes to these hats, I usually find them only in white. But at this location, Costco Tustin, I found them in black. $12.97. It's one size only. They have UPF 50 plus. At one point, these were going for $16.99. These are perfect for the summertime. The Felina rib tanks will be disappearing soon from Costco. These come as a 3-pack, and you can see you get one white, gray, and one black. I found these going for $9.97 at Costco Irvine, and at one point these were going for $13.99. So imagine you're paying around $3.30 something for each tank, which is a good price. These are ideal for layering, and here you see some of the sizing recommendations. Now at this location, I spotted extra large. I spotted very few size small. Guys, this is one of the most advanced face masks I've ever seen on the market. It's the Shark Creo Glow, and it's got pretty good reviews on Costco.com too. 4.5 out of 5 stars. It went on sale with $50 off through June 28th, so it went from $350 down to $300. Let me know if anyone's tried it. But it says here it's clinically tested to reduce fine lines and firm skin in 8 weeks. It's also clinically tested to reduce acne and even complexion in 4 weeks. And here's a couple of things that are included. You got clip-on chill pads, a remote, a storage bag. It's got a charging stand, and a pillowcase made out of silk is also included. Here we have a 14-inch extra large fry pan by the Green Pan Company. This one right here looks perfect for meal prepping or for cooking. Of course, bigger portions. Found it on sale at Costco with $6 off through July 6th. It went from $28.99 down to $22.99. I will say it's good for stir fry. You can do broil, bake, saute, roast. It's got a non-stick coating. It's very easy to clean too, and it's also dishwasher safe. Now, if you've got little ones or you're going to be taking care of the grandkids this summer, guys, check out this adorable Playhouse I found at Costco Tustin. At one point, it was going for $400, but check out this price, $250. It's the KidKraft Sunny Bluff Outdoor Playhouse. It's a single-story playhouse. It's got working double doors, and it's got an adorable role-play kitchen. I can definitely see the little ones having so much fun in this. Costco has belt options for men. These right here are by Tommy Bahama, and you can see Costco brought them out in black and brown. These are on sale with $4 off through July 6th. They went from $16 down to $11.99, and Costco does carry 2 sizes for them. They have small, medium, and large, extra large. If you guys remember this Woodland Gourmet smoked peppercorn and sage rub, at one point it was going for $6.39. Costco Tustin has it for $1.97, and keep in mind the bottle is of 7 ounces, so it's a good amount. Costco now seems to have a limited stock for the product. It says here the serving size 1/4 of a teaspoon, 0 calories. It has around 80 when it comes to its sodium. And I had to check here the best buy date, and you can see it says until October 17th of 2028. These are the Good Pop Fruit Sours. They're sour candy coated fruit pops. They're made with real fruit. Let me know if anyone's tried these. I found them going for $7.97. And keep in mind you're getting 16 pops per box. This Costco Tustin, by the way, first time seeing these marked down. At one point they were going for $12.59. And with the thing with Good Pop, usually they bring out products that are very calorie friendly. So for just one pop, it's only 60 calories. And this one right here has around 9 grams of sugar per pop. Now, when it comes to spread, I came across this variety pack that has yuzu premium fruit spread. You get matcha spread, and it also comes with a purple sweet potato spread. $9.97 for this variety pack. At one point, it was going for $12.99. This Costco Tustin, by the way. First time seeing this one marked down. And in terms of calories for 1 tablespoon, it's anywhere between 40 to 60 calories per serving. The high chew pops. I've seen these marked down in several Costco locations. Costco Tustin, I found it going for $9.97. Let me know if you happen to find them at an even better price than this. But you get 12 pops per box, and it seems like you get two flavors, grape and strawberry. And for just one pop, it's around 120 calories. Now, if you're starting to feel those mosquito bites and you're in need of insect repellent, guys, Costco's got you covered. They have this one right here on sale. It's the Off Clean Feel Insect Repellent. And you get two 7.5-ounce bottles plus one that is 2.5 ounces. This one's on sale through July 5th, by the way. It's fragrance free. It says protects against mosquitoes for up to 10 hours.